Hi, it's Glenn here from Dana Ridge again. Today I've got a stainless steel tube with some heat affected weld zone on it. Some of it's already been blasted, so we're going to just do this little section. I'll show you a photo of that soon. We're going to use a combination of AB, glass bead, about 90% AB, and the rest will be brown aluminium oxide. So the oxide will give it a matte finish. The glass bead will have a stress relieving effect on a metal, which is not a problem in this case, but just as an example.
Glass bead and aluminium oxide will both provide a uniform finish. It's commonly used in food manufacturing equipment, usually in walk-in blast rooms. They're like a duller finish, but still like the slight peening effect of the glass bead, which can remove any stresses in the metal that's just been welded. We're blasting at about 80 psi here. Probably took about 1-2 minutes to do this piece.